using your buzzwords. But I'm gonna digress. I'm gonna get off my soapbox. I'm,
Buzzwords.
I'm gonna get off my soapbox. I mean, I get it though. I mean, you got to say these words to sell it to the clients to make it. What is Kanye? What is that saying? So that saying go is, it sounds provocative. It gets the people going. Yeah, that's all that shit is. It sounds provocative and it gets people going.
Absorption sellers, yes.
Gets the people going. Nvidia, please pump back up for my position's sake. At least get me to
Bro,
145.
dude, I think you need to
145.
go.
I can't. Don't say that such things.
I think you gotta give it up, bro. That thing is, I don't know, man. It's looking like it's ready to go back down. I mean, well, if you want to hope, yeah. I mean, it is Nvidia. People will probably try to buy it, but I think that pump to like 145 was probably its last.
Last hoorah. Yeah, I know, but
Yeah.
I don't want to. I don't want to hear the truth. Lie to me.
Hey, oh Smith is gonna go back up to 145, man.
300.
Yo.
Tell me lies. Tell me lies. I don't want to know the truth. Even though I see it on these charts. I see it. I see it painted all over these charts. So yeah, back to this recap. I shorted. These limits were sitting here to front run 450, but it wasn't to. This was a complete accident. I'm not even gonna lie. It wasn't even to take it short. It was to take profit from my longs when I went long down here. And my original longs were down here. Make that like that so you can see. This was the area. I think long. I think my average was like 40, 405, 402, somewhere around there in the low 400s. Then I was like, F it, it's playing around. I kind of see the structure. I took it short. All of this was pre-market. I got mixed feelings about pre-market, and I wanted to talk to you about this because pre-market, like I said, you can catch big moves pre-market, but then at the same time,
absorption
let's say
sellers
you're in a winning
and
position, you get these random pops or drops out of nowhere that freaking your winning position will turn negative real quick on a random move. And I don't like that. And then pre-market for me was tough the last 2 or 3 months last year. It's like it just was not acting right. Before, I was like pre-market king, pulling like 3K out of the pre-market alone, just on.
Yeah.
And then they switched it
Almost
up.
inspired me to go to pre-market. Yep.
Yeah, he was like, man, maybe I need to look at pre-market. But yeah, then they switched it up. They always switching it up. Keep it the same so I could make that money. Stop switching up on me. Hopefully we can get back to that. Simple moves. You got your pops and your drops.
Yeah, we know that ain't gonna happen.
Yeah,
With Trump, it's gonna be so volatile, dude. It's gonna. You remember the first time with Trump? This shit just kept going up. Bears had no mercy, dude. No, there's like no time for lube, no nothing. They just got took.
Yeah.
Bears got took during his first term.
Yep. All right, so for now, I'm just gonna set this up. Let's see, it's like right there. It's like right there.
Bears had no time for lube. They just got tooken.
Yeah.
Taken.
Yeah, it was bad. The only thing that saved the Bears really was COVID, and that was brief.
Yeah.
Yeah, that drop. People bought the dip.
Of course.
Bought the dip.
Until it was like, oh shit, this is serious? This ain't a joke? Yeah. Or maybe it wasn't. I know. Well, there's some new scares of a new virus supposedly. Yeah, it's going around. It's supposed to be COVID version 2.0. Um, I don't think the economy can survive a second 100% lockdown economy. I just don't see it. You talking about super inflation at that point? I don't think the economy would be able to survive that.
Yeah.
At that point, it was like, well, shit. Let the best man win. Let the best one survive, I guess. Because I don't think nobody's gonna do it this not a second time. Not a second time. Nobody's not gonna allow the government to try to force them to get that jab like they did the first time. Like it was some crazy work how the government literally threatened to take your job away, your livelihood away to take a shot that they come out and say, oh yeah, well, it doesn't work, and people were still getting it and scaring people and
An experimental
all kind of
shot.
misinformation. Yeah, like
Experimental. I'm like, y'all are the guinea pigs. I'm like,
crazy,
they,
right?
they test vaccines
Crazy
for
work.
years before they get approved. Years.
They
Huh?
have,
Mhm.
they have more funding for this.
Nah, F for funding. Forget that. Yeah, the military got kicked out if you ain't take it. You have a choice.
Yeah, like dude, it was
And
it
now
was
I
like,
think,
dude, either you taking it, right?
yeah, they were I was about to say, yeah, they were giving people, they gave them the choice, either take it or get kicked out.
Exactly.
But they took away all their benefits and stuff, but now they're trying to get them back because they're like, yeah, that was stupid.
The whole thing was stupid. I mean, that's how you know it was like it was forced. And what was crazy was that I thought that would actually kill, and actually that probably was the reason why Trump probably had a landslide victory, probably because people don't like being told what to do like that. People don't like that type of shit. That's why I think the whole point we have this natural rebelliousness in us is for stuff like this. That was some dictator type shit. Literally some dictator type shit. It's like either get this job or lose your job, lose your livelihood. You can't go in certain places anymore. You can't do certain things. I remember a situation where the volcano erupted in what part of the world? I don't know. I just remember the story. And it was like, if you don't have the jab, unfortunately, you have to die on this island. It was some crazy dictator type shit. And I don't think people are going to accept that for a second time. I mean, you scared a lot of people the first time. You broke up a lot of families the first time, but I don't think it's going to work a second time. Or at least it shouldn't. We should learn from our past mistakes, but sometimes humanity and its sanity and common sense that ain't common, yeah, it surprises me sometimes. It really does.
Yeah, I mean, they was kicking out people, giving them dishonorables. Was it dishonorable?
Yo, that's
discharge?
crazy.
Yeah.
Then trying to force
Dishonorable just for not taking the jab? Yo, that's
Trying to-
crazy.
trying to force pregnant women to get the COVID vaccination.
Yeah, and there was
Yeah.
Wow.
no tests on pregnant
No
women at the
tests.
time.
But the military doctors were like, yeah,
It's safe.
it won't hurt your
By stop
child
and Q.
whatsoever. You don't know the effects of it.
Yeah.
Yeah, crazy.
Like if
And
anything,
oh, my bad, go ahead.
then who knows what would have happened. I would have got kicked out with no benefits.
Yeah, I think they just now giving them or trying to fight to get their benefits back or something
That's
like that.
ridiculous.
Yeah, that was absolutely ridiculous. And I'm surprised nobody didn't say anything. Like, dude, I'm like, that's how you kind of know the media is, well, obviously. I mean, they was calling Harris incompetent, and all of a sudden they did a whole 180 on her personality, saying, oh, yeah, she's this and that, and blah, blah, blah. But no one said that, damn, don't y'all remember how they forced us to get that jab? And they forced us to say, I mean, shit, that really affected a lot of people. I remember we had this big, giant town hall, and the guy was like, I understand that certain people don't want to get this, and they was trying to not give people religious exceptions and stuff like that. Some people got it, but you really had to fight for that crap. And he was like, unfortunately, guys, if y'all don't get this, we had to be forced to let you go. You know, a lot of people were kind of crying, and I was like, dude, that is crazy. And that never came up in an election at all, or nobody talked about that, which was crazy to me.
Buy stop NQ.
So, well, we don't have to worry about that, or at least we should. Hopefully. Hopefully. You said now people are having heart problems. Yeah. Look at that pump,
Buy
baby.
stop NQ. We stop
Got it.
ES buy. Buyer sweep
I'm gonna let
ES.
this
Okay,
little one
Smith.
contract
Absorptions
run.
buyers NQ. Buy stop NQ.
No, what do you do? What do you
Buy
mean you're
stop
getting out
NQ.
now? Hard to
Buyer
post.
sweep NQ.
Hold on, you trading NASDAQ? You trading ES?
Trail it. Trail
Buy
it.
stop
Yes.
NQ.
Let me
Stop
look at the
ES buy.
ES.
Put your
You might got
put
some
your
room.
price.
Buyer sweep NQ.
Right now,
Put it.
I'm just gonna get out.
No, what are you doing? Right with the pump.
Come here. I don't know how to do that. Come
Give it a mouse.
here.
Uh,
Yeah, I mean, next time, don't buy into a falling knife. Wait until they exhaust. Sellers eventually get exhausted.
I think we get to at least 48.
How many points is this? Really don't.
Buy stop. I'm about to buy right here on ES.
I said we should have gotten out right there.
Did it?
It touched it.
Oh,
It went through it.
next spot is VWAP.
Do you think we should shoot for the bottom?
This is middle price between high and low.
We should probably.
So if you're still in that ES trade, I would shoot for like 50. I'm already in long right now on ES.
Talk about getting
I'm
out.
long right now.
No, you don't get out on the momentum.
Sherman said 50.
Nah, you gotta let that shit ride, baby. You gotta let it ride. You gotta let it ride, baby.
Touch that. That's good. That should be going.
You said nasty NQ.
Look for mid price right here.
I'm gonna probably buy this test right here.
That is 50. No.
Absorptions buyers NQ.
We're gonna put it up at the highs here.
Almost first target about to
Stop
hit, baby.
NQ.
First target about to hit.
Trail it right here. There. Now it trailed it.
All right, first target got it.
They might reject here temporarily. Yeah. All right. See.
Hey, yo, what's up, Mohammed? What's up?
What was the entry? Yo, Muhammad. I shorted the top by accident. That was not intentional at all. Came into the charts up 5K. Like, what? At the height, it was up 9K at the bottom. At the low.
What a great problem to have.
No, right? I wish this was funded already. I'd have been like, yo, I'm taking it. I'm taking it. 21, 221.
I mean, so we had a decent day, man. We had a decent day. So Mohammed says that a lot of the orders are being done manually today. That is definitely apparent. I will say that. We're not getting that algorithmic price action today. We're getting that old school. Let me turn this off real quick, because I mean, obviously the charts are painted. You got your classic double bottom, range, double top.
Yeah, this was super ranging right here from
Mm-hmm.
basically from like 720 all the way. Got this big old range. Yeah, you pretty much caught the bottom of that. It's good. Now I want to see them continue this up.
Okay.
Shorted 390 and 245 long. Yeah, that's good.
Buy
Mhm.
iceberg NQ.
Mohammed,
Absorption sellers NQ.
dang, bro, you stay catching the tops and bottoms.
Absorption sellers ES.
If you go over to my stream, I shorted 447 is my entry. 448. And like I said, that was not intentional. That was supposed to be my take profit from these longs pre-market.
Mhm.
But it ended up, I got stopped out. So this was my last short. It was at 415. My last runner contract got stopped out at 412. And then this drop happens. Because I was looking for 380. Really, I think my target was 378. Because I think that was your 23% on your charts from yesterday or last night. And then
Oh yeah, like 380. Yeah.
yeah, and then 380 was the open. So I'm like, yeah, we're probably gonna get back to there, but it didn't do it on this drop, and then it pumped back up to double top this, and then dropped.
Mm. Damn, dude. Okay.
I
Damn.
really want to see
Alright.
how Patak traded back in the day. This dude was on the floor. I'm
Like a degenerate gambler.
like, man,
Like a degenerate gambler.
I'm better than you. Like that's how I feel. Like I'm better than him.
Dude,
Like you were on the
just
floor.
because he's a CEO don't mean that he's good. I mean, we saw how you see all the trades on stream.
Yeah. But he was on the floor in the CME.
Yeah, he was liquidity.
That's why I don't get like you should have all the
Yes.
insider secrets and everything. He said he was liquidity.
Was
Thank you.
liquidity.
Thank you for your liquidity, Mr. Patak.
They need people like that on the floor. It's like, hey, the liquidity's going on.
My position.
There's no way he was a good
appreciates you.
trader. There's no way. There's no way. You can see it in his personality and his trading style. There's no way.
And then
No
Hogue,
way.
Hogue as well. He was on the floor too. Talk about back in the day, throwing them paper orders in, and yelling and stuff, all that chaos.
Mm-hmm.
Dang, Muhammad shorted 442. Again, catching them tops and bottoms. I need your software, bro. I need that software.
I honestly might actually get into this long in my other account. I might get into this long, but no, I've made the money. I'm gonna call it a day today. I'm not going to do that to myself. I'll stay in the sim.
That is a good.
I'll stay in the sim.
That's very professional of you and mature. Growth.
Thanks.
Hashtag growth. Yeah, I can't even do anything with this. Technically, I need to lose money, but this mess is 8K. I can't. There's no way I'm losing. When I try to lose, I end up making money.
Isn't that crazy?
Yeah, like I could go
Sells
long
top
right here.
NQ.
If this thing's about to, well, I don't know, because it's still kind of following this trend. It hasn't broken it yet.
You said how far did I get today? Yeah, so I logged in about 2,700, 2,800 in my Apex eval today. I've been kind of going up and back. So I was just up about 5K in both, but then I gave it all back with that drop. So, I mean, that's the double-edged sword about trading with size. As it gives it to you, it shall take it if you don't.
Absorption sellers
If you move your
NQ.
stops. But I gave it all back.
Yeah, this area right here is just crazy. They're holding it. Like, look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got a little break and thinking like you're gonna get it, but no. He dumped it at 400.
Mm-hmm.
Been holding. And then we got another potential. Well, not potential. This was in the pre-market. And we look left, we can kind of see the reasoning behind it.
Mm-hmm.
Right there. It's support, popped, support again, broke it, went up, retested it. Oh yeah, that's Sherm's favorite kind of trade right there. The
Well,
break and retest.
oh yeah,
Shoot, you could have took
the
this
break and
short.
retest.
Could have took this short. What's that? Yesterday. Yeah, yesterday at 145.
Mm-hmm.
Broke it,
Oh shit. Well, oh,
retested,
my bad. Go ahead.
and dropped.
How was BCT doing over there anyway? How you going along with the content and with the trading?
It's going good. I was able to watch a few of the initial videos. I still have a lot more to watch, but yeah, it is going really good.
How you feeling though with trading?
Um,
Do you got?
I feel like entry wise, I'm doing really well. My entries have been pretty spot on. It's the exits that I have to get more confident in.
Mm,
So I'm just comfortable right now with 10 points. But Brandon, he's over here trying to shoot for these huge moves.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
I'm saying, all I'm saying is, when there's momentum in the market, put your stop. Like, okay, say it's above your 10 points, right? And it's still going in your direction. Put your trail it at your 10-point stop, and then catch the whatever it gives you, whatever extra it gives you. That's my thing. You don't want to.
Brandon's whole thing is he doesn't want me to leave money on the table, which I completely understand, but I need to get more comfortable with doing that.
mm. So what are you looking for in your entries? What gets BCT into a trade?
So we've been actually just comparing previous history. So the resistant areas and the areas of support and resistance, we block those out. And
Seller
see
sweep NQ.
how the market
Sell stop NQ.
moves once it
Stop
taps
ES sell.
into those areas.
Seller sweep ES.
Mm,
And honestly, that's been very effective for me right now when determining when I should enter a trade.
mm. Yeah, it is just that easy. It is getting in that support and resistance. It is exactly that's exactly how easy it is. And then I guess the curveballs come in they come in when,
Buy iceberg
okay,
NQ.
you got to trade intraday, and oh no, it hit the support or resistance area at the end of the day outside of trading hours. What do I do? And I think that's, I mean, with these prop firms, you got to have to adapt. Like, okay, so I already hit the support area. Now I got to find another support area to get into. But then the market moves, and it gets to the point to where if you're not disciplined with what you want, the market can kind of take you here and there with entries and exits because of how volatile it is now. And you'll look at a 30-point move and say, damn, that didn't hit, like, why did it jump 30 points right here? That didn't hit support. But then if you look at the chart, it hit a support area from like 10 years ago. And that's why we got that 30-point move. So it's like,
Yeah.
Oh yeah, and then trend lines as well. Going off of the trend lines, that's been pretty effective.
yeah, trend lines. Yeah, that I just added that to my game as well. And I realized how foolish I've been not using them before.
I just want to see us, at least for the NQ, test this. It should break. I mean, that was what, 4 times I counted? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It should break this. It should, but the market is bearish, I feel.
Yeah, it is. It definitely is. It's bearish, but it's bearish. It's bearish and bullish at the same time. Yeah, it's going down, but you know how these dip buyers go.
Yeah. I don't want 1,000 points, Alfred.
That dude, that is crazy, man. Gameway says that he got his 10 loss on. And you said that hold on, where are you long at? He says 21.30 395. Oh, that's where he wants to exit at. He wants to exit at 100 points. Long at 295. That 295. Oh my God. ES. Why did you stop me out just to do that crap? That is so crazy. Oh man. Yeah.
Stop ES.
Today is definitely one of those days where it's like, yeah, it looks like they're going for liquidity. They're super going because the market didn't even need to do that. And it did it anyway just to do this. Yeah, and it's looking like the NASDAQ is finding support off that little area right there where it broke structure. The bears failed to move it back down, and then they use this area as support again. If I can get a pullback, I'll get in long right here if I can get a pullback to this area. Because looking at this golden zone chart, it's looking like we're ranging between the 23% and no surprise, the golden zone.
Buyer sweep and Q.
That's what we've been doing all day. Has been
200
ranging
lots,
between these two zones.
I'm sorry. 200. Dang. Oh, one of these days, I'm gonna get like you, Muhammad. I don't even think my heart could handle that. I'd have to turn off all P&L. Only put.
Now let's do that, dude. I'm doing it, man. I'm gonna do it. You said what? 200 lots? Let's do it.
Yeah, make sure you're in the sim, please.
I mean, shit. Who's gonna let me put on 200 lots? Not even Apex is that crazy. Not even Apex is that crazy.
200 lots.
All right, let's see what 200 lots look like.
I couldn't even. Fathom
Damn! Look at that. My shit is still filling.
Hold on, let me see.
Oh, okay. I was in the wrong strategy. I was like, that was fast. I was in the wrong strategy.
You just made what, like $30,000?
Yeah, because I was down 21,000 and now I'm not.
Wait, do it again, because I missed it. I didn't get this. I saw it hit your targets.
Well, this actually might reject here, but this is in the sim. This might, yeah, that's gonna reject.
Well, yeah, take it short. Then.
I guess I could try to take it. Yeah, I can take the short. Yeah.
It is in that area. I want to see it break out, but it's probably not gonna happen.
All right. So I'm in 200.
Dang.
So this is how it is. Yeah, when you're up this much, and when Mohammed says, "Yeah, I never let it come back to break even." Yeah, I would never let this come back to break even.
$30,000 in like a couple of points.
Yeah, I wouldn't. Yeah, I wouldn't let this come back to break even either. You're right. I'm up $70,000, baby. Let's go.
Dang.
Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, Mohammed, you got competition now. Hey, I trade 200 lots. I trade 200. Yeah, Gameway, get on our level. We trade 200 lots.
So I'm up $70,000. Yeah.
You see what Alfred said.
1,000 contracts. Alfred. Talking about
Okay, it's
talking about being up like $1 million, up and down $1 million.
200 contracts, huh?
200
Let me close this
live.
out.
Gateway said I'm rich, but not 200 live rich. Oh man, I'm trying to get like that. I'm trying to get like that one of these days.
200 lots. That is
Yeah,
crazy.
I couldn't. Honestly, I don't care how big my account balance is. I couldn't take that. I could not take that. Looking at. Yeah, I see why Muhammad said what he said. I'm not letting that come back on me.
Of course, that was up like $30,000 and like a couple of.
Like 6 points.
I would be foolish to let that come back on me.
Oh,
So where am I
damn.
stop at?
Yeah, Muhammad.
Yo,
Muhammad's
dude,
putting on them
yeah.
1,000 contracts.
All right, so when you look at it from this perspective, what Muhammad said is like, yeah, I never let it come back against me. If it goes past my level, I'm getting out. Of course, dude, I'm up 30,000 right now. I'm only up about 3 points. It's like,
Yeah. Yeah.
oh shit! All right, no, we're gonna look at this. We're gonna see. We're gonna keep it.
From going up $30,000 to being down like 10, 17. That's crazy. It's only a couple points too. Yeah, I couldn't.
Mm-hmm.
My heart.
I'm
couldn't
down
take
6
that.
points, and I'm down. I was just down 14, 20, 30, 40,000, dude.
Yeah. Yeah.
My world just opened up. My world just opened up. A new door has been opened.
I don't care. I don't care how big my account is. I just couldn't take that mentally. The stress.
Shit, I could.
This is sim money. Imagine if this was real. Your own. Nah, that's too much stress. I'm trading one contract. $1 million account. I'm trading 3 contracts max.
All right, so I'm Muhammad in this thing, so I'm not gonna let it come back to break even. Well, actually, no. Honestly, I'm looking at this. It's like, shit. If it touched my break even, it is what it is. It is what it is. I need that target, baby, because that target's probably like 1 million. I'm gonna need that target.
$1 million. I want to see. I'm curious to see it hit. You already up $50,000 on 12 points. That's probably
And here's the crazy thing too. Like this was in the sim, and the sim didn't even fill all my orders. I wasn't even getting good fills on the sim at all in the sim. So just imagine, dude, how are you getting filled, Mohammed?
You probably got to spread them out. Because there's no way. Matter of fact, probably all them orders you be seeing on Bookmap is probably just spread out. Spread out from people with big size. I wish it would show the actual amount.
So it's not spread out. So you get out. So you get in all your contracts at once. Oh, it has a way. Are you talking about like with iceberg orders or special orders or something like that?
Icebergs. Icebergs are like heavy hidden orders that they don't show on here. And that's kind of not fair. I want to see. Show me all the orders. I want to see everything.
Muhammad said no. That's not it.
Hey, yo. Hey. I ain't trying to flex or nothing, but you know, I'm up like 100K, yo. I ain't trying to flex or nothing. I'm up 100K, baby.
That's crazy. Yeah, you better not let
So-
that come back on you. Like that's I can see. That's a whole new perspective.
Yeah, it is. Yep. Now, if someone looks at this like, no, that ain't my sim. No, that's how much money I make a day, baby. What's up?
He said, no, that's not my cell. It's my live account.
Dude, I just want to see what it looks like if it hits that target, man. But 360, 380. Oh, yeah. No wonder why. Okay. All right. I forgot about that. And now it's reminding me. Let's go back to the big chart. This was on a December contract. So 360 was that area that, that's the ES, my bad. 360, 525 and 360. Those were those areas
Sell stop
back
and
in the
queue.
day. Where the market was finding resistance, finding support, finding resistance. So this one area was very significant. Oh no, that's not it. Yeah, finding support. Yeah, so yeah, 330, 360, this area right here on the NASDAQ, and finding resistance or support, resistance, support, support, and now here we are yet again. Right here. Damn, I'm down 41K. Dang. If I had $100,000, that's half my account. I mean, if I it's like, nah, baby, this yeah, I got $100,000 in my trading account.
Absorptions buyers and queue.
Yeah, I got it like
Sell and
that.
sweep and queue.
He said, how am I down that much? Shit, I went negative on 200 contracts. That's why. All right, so I was up 100K, and now I'm down. Oh shit! So I lost. Oh. Yeah, it's been rejecting at that 23% zone. That 23%, that shit's been rejecting there all day. So all I see is that that either they hold this area, or if the bulls can hold this area and tap it once more, then we're going to 4. We're definitely going. Well, Mohammed, I got high. That's all I can say. I got high. I wasn't managing the position. I got euphoric. Trading 200 contracts that literally opened the door to something else. I was up. Honestly, it really puts a lot of things into perspective because my mind didn't even see the 38K. All it saw was, damn, I'm up 38K, 50K, 60K. I wonder what it's going to be like when it hits my target. What I should have saw was that it double topped here at this 23% zone. That's what I should have saw. If we get a break underneath this, we're going lower. I think we're going lower. Looking at Nvidia, I think Nvidia breaks. I think my puts are good. What I should have did was, let me see how much. This is gonna be another gamble. Obviously, this is gonna be another gamble. I already got puts for January 24th on Nvidia to touch around 130, 125-ish for $80. That's not financial advice or nothing. But I'll probably do this at the end of the day. Because I doubt we'll probably see like a gap down, probably. Probably see a gap down. Let me look at the Nvidia.
Sell stop NQ.
Because if I get 0 DTEs for this week on Nvidia, I don't think Nvidia drops like that. I don't think it does, but this will, like I said, this will be a gamble, but the 130 calls or the 130 puts on Nvidia right now is only $15 and they expire on Friday. We got non-farm payroll on Friday.
Yeah, that's make or break right there. I'm trying to hold price up. Yeah, this double top. Plus it was close to this area. That's been hell of resistance.
Hold on, am I in this? Am I in a move right now?
Said the trend line's not going up. I need him to prop price up.
The trend lines do help gain weight. They do. The trend lines do work. They do hold up price. Okay, well, let's see, man. I mean, if they break this, dude, we're getting a flush. We're getting a flush if they break this, man. I'm going for it, man. I'm going for the short, man. I'm going for it. I'm going for the short. This thing is gonna flush if they
Sell
break
stop
this.
NQ.
And again, this is in the sim. So, man, disclaimer. This is a sim trade.
You flip short, gain weight? Thought you wanted 395. Trend line's not gonna help.
Yeah, well, the trend line's not supposed to give you help. Help. They're supposed to give you hope. That's what it's supposed to do. It's supposed to give you hope. Yeah, I'm gonna do it, man. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. I don't think we get back up to 50 on Nvidia. I think we don't.
Just F my position.
I'm gonna wait. So at towards the end of the day, 130 calls or 130 puts on Nvidia that expire on Friday is $10. Probably at the end of the day, they're gonna be much cheaper. If I can get a better contract at a better price, I'm gonna get it. That's a super gamble. Super gamble.
All right, long 290. Dang.
Just watch out for 340.
That means, Muhammad, you probably up like $1 million right now. Just off that alone. Cut 80% at 330. Nice, nice.
Hey, we back, baby. We back positive, baby. Let's go. Feedback
You
positive.
still held that position. Oh no, you
No,
flipped.
I got into a new one. Yeah.
That's crazy. $50,000.
Ah, man.
Did you make your loss
We are no
back?
longer positive. Well, I did, but I'm back negative now.
Nah, we following the trend lines, baby. Trend lines for the
And
win
the trend
back.
lines we trust.
It actually did break, but that's okay. We're back.
I think we're back.
Broke on both charts.
I mean, technically, this would be it.
Let's draw this.
Technically, that would be it. Right
Buy
there.
sweep and Q. Buy stop and Q.
Technically, this would be the new trend line right here. Because that wouldn't make sense. That tried to break the trend line right there.
Percent you eating ramen. No steak dinner for you. You eating ramen noodles.
Dude, I'm down like 100. Oh my God, I'm down 100K, yo. What the fuck? No, 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 go down. No, no, no.
Ramen exited.
No.
That's maybe why price dropped from there. He closed it out, so you may be good.
You know, when you're down, you add 200 more contracts. I'm about to
He said
evolve.
you add 200 more contracts. Scale in. This is everything. This goes against everything Muhammad talks about. He said he ain't scaling though into no losing position.
Oh, we scale into losing positions because they can work.
What can you afford? Even ramen's too
Sell
expensive
stop
at this
and Q.
point. 400 contracts.
Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. We back positive. Let's go.
Even ramen's too expensive at this point.
Now, if we get like a nasty follow-up dildo candle up, then yeah.
And yeah, you're on the streets. As they say in Reddit, Wall Street bets, you're behind Wendy's.
Wendy's is hiring.
My wife's boyfriend. What's wrong with them? What's wrong with them people, man?
Muhammad, we'll get there, Muhammad. We're gonna get there. We're gonna get there.
Seller sweep and Q.
Muhammad, let's break out. Let's break 400, man. Get to 550.
Buyer sweep and Q.
Get to 450. Nah, forget 450. We did that pre-market, basically. Take us to 550, Muhammad. Pump it up.
Mm.
400 contracts is crazy, though.
Okay.
What is your sim up to? You got that kind of drawdown in your sim account?
Oh shit! Oh, I'm about to get liquidated in my sim. Yo, I never thought about that. What happens when the sim gets liquidated? What happens?
It
Absorption
stops you,
sellers and Q.
At least for Trade-Evade, I think you can reset it like once a day or once a session.
Really?
Yeah. You can reset the balance. After that, they're like, nah, man. You have gambling tendencies right now. You gotta wait.
My sim is down to his last $7,000.
How are they even letting you be in this position? What's your margin? It's probably like 2,000%.
I'm no longer a sim money millionaire. No. Okay, we back, baby. We back. We back. Well, once we get this dump right here that's about to come, we back.
Stop ESL.
I bet over there at sim account headquarters, it was like, oh, we got one. We got one. We got him. Liquidate his ass. Liquidate his ass.
Sell
Liquidate him.
stop NQ.
You better take that.
Where they asking you that at, Muhammad? So why you laughing so hard?
You better take that 60K.
No.
Your whole house.
I'm on my target. You're gonna knock at the door. It's like, yeah, so
They coming for all your assets. Like, no, all I gotta do is delete the app.
I deleted the app, sir. I'm sorry. We're not familiar with your game.
Oh, no, I deleted the app. You can't come for me. I don't even know what you're talking about.
I even turned off my internet service.
I went off the grid. You can't find me. I don't owe you $60,000.
That would be super crazy. It's like, yeah, we your sim account got liquidated, and we're gonna need that back. What? They're gonna probably send me one of them cars for Squid Games. So we heard what you got. Margin called it the sim. Like, what are you in for? Yeah, I was in the sim, but I got margin called. So I gotta risk my life to pay children's game to get myself out of debt. Sim games.
Hey, it's funny because in the first season, that dude was there because he was trading futures.
Was he?
One of his best, yeah, the dude's the best friend that made it to the end. Yeah. He was trading futures and he lost all his money.
I mean, I can understand Forex, but futures? You lost all your money in futures. That's crazy.
Yeah, that's why I thought it was so funny when they said that. I'm like, dang. Crazy, but hey, he must have went super tilt. It's relatable. Lost it all. Yeah, he must have been traded on margin too.
Okay. So you what with your brother? Okay. Well, make sure it's good because that thing was sitting out all night. Make sure it's good. You ain't trying to kill him or nothing.
That's not gonna do anything.
All right. I mean, shit, it's your brother. It's your brother. If you kill him, shit, it's your brother. It's your brother. Try to give him the man. That pot roast is sitting out all night. Shit, I wouldn't eat it. And don't give him one of our containers neither. Dang. But yeah. Uh-huh. Don't give them one architecture neither. Put it in a bag. Shit. Giving people architectures. Ah, shit. Ah, man.
Hey, bro.
Ah.
Flip.
Huh. You know how that shit go.
$190,000.
Vice top
Dude,
10
why,
Q.
why am I so...
Buyer sweep
Dude, I'm...
10 Q.
Yo. Yeah, okay. Yeah, you can't move your stop with this. Dude, that's... Okay. I wonder if this time they're going to actually break out above 360. Let's see.
That would be love.
Stop ES buy. Stop ES buy.
Take us to 550, Muhammad. I know this is you. You ain't game.
He said what? 550? Man, this thing better not drop. Yeah, I got about like 8 minutes until I gotta. Ah. I mean, shit. At this point, that's just gonna reject that 360 again. We'll probably get like this thing will probably go like the 380. Actually, we'll probably get a move to 380. Probably get a move to like 380 or something like that. You said negative 200. Hey, we're gonna get it back. We're gonna end the stream positive. God damn it, we're gonna be positive. Damn, I'm down like 300K right now, dude. That's crazy. That is crazy.
So what? They letting you
Yeah.
trade on margin or something, even though you don't have it in your account, in the sim account?
I guess. I mean, I guess they must. You know how that shit go. Only normal people get their position stopped out. The from what I've been to, well, from what I've seen, the big players, the big players, they don't get their position stopped out. They're allowed to stay in their positions, even if it goes past their stop loss.
Well, they need to. I don't know why they let me do it then. I told you, I'm like, oh, how am I negative? I'm like, I'm literally negative. I owe Ninja Trader $500. I should have did what you took your advice and just deleted the app.
Mm-hmm. The best advice. Oh, you got that from Sherm? Oh shit. I mean, you got it from Sherm. I mean, yeah, Sherm told him to do it. We gotta respect that. We gotta respect that. Sherm told him to do it.
He deleted the app. Dang, we have no case against him now. Like he just turned invisible.
Dude, is it going to break? We're breaking 360. We're probably going to see that rejection at 380. We're going to see that rejection at
Buyer
380,
sweep
man. They're
10 Q.
struggling.
Vice top 10 Q.
No.
Okay.
Take this to 550.
So that what's his name? The guy, damn good trading.
Yeah.
I feel like now I'm in the same position that he was in. Dude, you think that I'm stubborn? You think I'm stubborn?
He's worse.
He's just as stubborn. He's just as stubborn. Dude, I mean, he caught the short yesterday, but you know how long that short took
Yeah.
for that thing to actually follow through yesterday.
Yeah.
You know how long that thing took before And for whatever reason, YouTube turned his stream on, and I was like, well, shit, I'm gonna watch it. And when somebody in the comments like, damn, not even God himself can convince this man to take break even. And I was just
That is comedy. That is hilarious.
he said, not even God himself could come in and take this man. Take break even. Dude. Nah, you taking all that pain? Break even is an insult. It's an insult at that point.
Stop ES
I ain't
spell.
taking break even.
Well, shoot, I should have taken break even in that CL trade. Actually,
Yeah, I mean,
I went positive $200, and I should have took it there. Down from being down 20K in CL, I think I was in like 12 contracts. Down 20K. It came all the way back up to break even plus $200. And I was like, no, we're going up now. It gave me hope. And then went right back down.
here's the question though. What were you looking for?
I don't even
What number would have been good enough for you to close?
I don't know. I don't even remember. I just know I remember I was up $200. It passed my break even by like a couple ticks, and then it dropped again.
No, I meant like your P&L. What number would have been good enough after being down 20,000, coming back to break even? What would have been good enough for you to close it?
It was probably, yeah, it was one of them things. I would have been probably stubborn. I probably wanted to see that 20K on the positive side.
It's like, nah, you took 20 from me. I want 20. Shit, nah, damn it, I want 40. Damn it.
Double or nothing.
Well, Mohammed, I will say that I understand why you trade the way you trade. If this is the size you trading, you really can't even. You gotta execute. You just gotta take the loss, man. Because
ES5.
yeah, I was down like 300K just now, man.
All right, take profits. You up 100.
Nope. I need to see 300K on the other side. I need to see 900K.
I need 1 million.
For what is it called? For all that pain and suffering that I had to experience. No, break even is an insult.
That's
Add insult to injury.
that is wild.
My wife left me. I'm gonna need that.
It's really struggling here. Like it literally touched the bottom of this range and it dropped.
Yeah, I mean,
yeah, but seeing them big numbers, that puts it into super perspective. It's like, okay, damn, right. Take your profits.
I mean,
Absorption sellers and Q.
my bad. Yeah, I mean, yeah, Mohammed, I understand, but it's easier to kind of let it slide when you got smaller size. But when you playing with these big boy numbers, yeah, you really can't.
Yeah, that's wild.
Those are rookie numbers. Yeah. Trader with 4 mini contract, those are rookie numbers. Rookie numbers.
I know. Shoot, I'm happy with my little 8K that took me 3 hours to make. You over there making that in 2 seconds.
8K, that's rookie numbers. Yeah. Here comes that dump. And we back positive. I just need 77,000 more dollars. And we back positive, baby.
Take that profit and reposition.
Did she use a bathroom? Just let her. She's good.
It wasn't intentional, Mohammed. I made 3K and I was good with that. That short caught me off guard.
Thank you.
This short in the top. I was hoping NQ would pump up. I mean, I guess I could have got out right here.
Bro, this thing's gonna drop. And I think, dude, this thing is set up. I think I need to hurry up and buy these Nvidia puts, man. I'm buying. Okay, I'm buying the 2 days out. Ah, shit, they went up a little bit. I'm buying these, man. I'm gonna buy it. I'm gonna buy one. No, I'm buying two. I'm buying two. Actually, let me look at this real quick. Oh snap! Oh snap! Yeah, if Nvidia loses, yeah, I'm buying. Okay, I'm buying. So like I said, the gamble is if it happens this Friday. I don't think it will, but I mean, we could see a drop. We could. Yeah, keep on pumping it, Nvidia. Keep on pumping it. I'll buy. Mm. Mm. Uh, yeah. All right, guys. That's it for me. I gotta get ready for this meeting. We have fun today. What are you looking for? Um, they should be on the counter. Look at my pants. I don't know. All right, guys. Yeah, I gotta get ready for this meeting, so I'm gonna end it on my side.
Yeah, but I just drew out these levels and stuff.
I guess I will. I mean, well, obviously, we'll see what happens with these. We'll see what happens, but I feel that if we can get above 380 on the Nasdaq, if we don't see a rejection at 380, I think the next stop would obviously be 420, 430. I mean, that's the obvious next level. But and especially with all these stops above these highs, I mean, where else is it going to go? So just watch out for that if you're long or short. But with that said, everybody, peace out.
Oh yeah, no market tomorrow. That sucks. I'm gonna be patiently waiting like Pablo. No market.
Sell stop NQ.